Welcome to Trending News. My name is John Matava. Veteran Kikuyu Bega artist and music producer has passed away at 59 years old at Kenyatta National Hospital in Nairobi. Gasheru, who was active in the 1990s, produced many recording artists. He was known for his two hits, Mondo Wakwa, Mariru and Mumunya. He will be remembered for having fought in courts for the rights of musicians and for the streamlining of the Copyright Act to protect both musicians and producers. His battle against music pirates saw him lodge various cases at the High Court, where he was represented by himself. Gasheru was also involved in organizing musicians and was once a director of the Music Copyright Society of Kenya and also the Kenya Music Composer Association. Moving on, the principal of ABC Kiseveni Secondary School has been arrested by the Machakos Sub-County Criminal Investigations Officer Rhoda Kanyi for being involved in examination theft of the national examinations. Beta Mutuku was arrested by detectives on Tuesday morning. She was accused of taking a photo and uploading it on WhatsApp that students can revise ahead of the mathematics examinations. The principal is expected to be arraigned in Machakos law courts today in the evening after today's examinations. Moving on, the government of Kenya is planning to use the drone technology to try and catch those escaping the roadblocks put in place by the government in the 5 COVID-19 hotspots. The drones will have inbuilt cameras that will be able to track any movement up to 5 kilometers. According to the Rift Valley Regional Coordinator George Natembeya, the drones will assist in arresting the culprits of violating the law. Police officers have also been warned not to take bribes at the roadblocks or face the full force of the law. Finally, Kenya Airways has suspended passenger flights between Kenya and the United Kingdom effective April 9, 2021 until further notice. The date corresponds with the one set by the UK banning Kenyan travelers from entering their territory to prevent further spread of COVID-19 virus. In a statement issued on Monday, Kenya Airways explained that the suspension is due to the directive issued by Kenya suspending all flights from the UK effective midnight on April 9, 2021. The national carrier said due to the increased demand for the travel to the UK before the advisory takes effect on April 9th, it has added 2 new flights on the April 7th and 8th to cater for the increasing number of travelers. You're now up to date on Trending News. My name is John Matava.